This video is going to be a review of the Voolan high pressure shower head that will also work on low flow, low pressure systems. The shower head is made out of 100% 304 stainless steel. There is no inferior stainless steel, no chromium, no rust problems. You can see over here how they have a nozzle that will not clog up, will not get sediment in there. So what I want to do now is I want to show you this. It's absolutely beautiful. You should be able to install it without a wrench, but if you need a wrench, it comes with a wrench. Unscrew the protective cover. You've got a filter in there. We can put this filter in here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it on the shower so that you can see what this looks like. Again, it is an 8-inch shower head made by Voolan that will give you the simulation of rain. I've got the shower head installed right now, and I've only got the hot water on, barely on, and there's just a massive amount of pressure. You can see the rain simulation, the rain type spray. This thing is incredible, and it is beautiful. It's nice and shiny. And I'm going to turn up the cold water now. I'm going to turn off the hot water. I'm going to turn on the cold water, and we'll see what this thing looks like. Okay, so there's the low pressure. It's still putting out some water. And let's turn on the cold water now. Oh, this thing is wonderful. A lot of pressure coming out of there. It feels good. This would be great in any bathtub or shower. This would be fabulous in a shower, which is how I've got it set up right now in my shower bathtub. So you can get this on Amazon from Voolan. It's their 8-inch shower head.